Hello everyone, welcome to Pepcoding. Today we are here to solve a question named all palindromic partitions. Okay, so first of all, let's go on the board, discuss the question. After that, we will look for its solution. So here we are on the board, we are given a string as input. So just consider ABA, this is the given string. Okay, now what we have to do? We have to print all the partition of this given string, which is palindromic in nature. So let's talk about this string and write all the palindromic partition that is possible for this string. One is that every element is alone. So let's write it. This is palindromic in nature. Okay. After that, we talk about, so we get ABA and ABA. After this, if we talk about, so we can get this. This is also palindromic in nature, all the partitions. After this, if we talk, so what we have A, we have B, and we have AA, and we have B and A. This is also a possible partition for the string which is palindromic in nature. After this, if we talk, then we can get A, B, AA, B, and A. This is also palindromic in nature. After that, if we talk, if we consider the complete string, it is also a palindromic string. So A, B, AA, B, A, it's also a palindromic. So these are 6 possible palindromic partition for this given string. Okay, so let's move forward and see how we are going to solve this question. So we are here. Okay, so simply we are going to use levels and option method to solve this question. So first of all, what we have ABA, ABA as a given string, and our answer is nothing right now. We are just starting from this point. Okay, so first option we just take this character. Okay, first character. So first option is this. So if we take the first character in our answer, what will be left? BAA. Okay, what is the second option that is palindromic? That is ABA. Okay, so we will take ABA in our answer. The left part is ABA. After that, what is third option? Third option is that we consider the complete string as a palindromic. So ABA is our answer. We are left with nothing. So we met our first answer here at this point. Now let's move forward about these two parts. So if we come here, what we see, we are left B. Just consider B as a partition. So what will be like A and B. And what is left? AA and BA. Okay, so this is the string that is left right now. What is the second option do we have? We have a second option of B, AAB, and A we have earlier. So after choosing this, what we are left with? We are left with A. Okay, and except this, do we left with anything? No, right? Let's talk about this one. On this level, what we have? We are left with ABA, and then we have A. Can we take A? Yeah, exactly, we can take it. So we have one option as ABA, and let me use brackets. Okay, ABA and then A. So what we are left with after this? B and A. Okay, and what is the second option? Second option is that we take this complete string, right? So the second option will be ABA and ABA. After this, we are left with no string. So this is our second answer that we met here. After that, let's move forward. Okay, so when we are here at this label, so what we are left with? We are left with AABA. Okay, so what we can consider? We can consider A as a partition. That is a palindromic in nature. So let's go. It will be A, B, and A. So if we consider this, what we are left with? We are left with B and AB and A, right? Okay, what is the second thing that we are left with? We are left with A and A. We can take A and A together. It is also a palindromic. So let's go. It can be A, B, and AA, right? If we consider this, we are left with B and A only, right? This is also done. Now let's move forward and talk about this. Here we are left with only A. So what can be the possible answer? A, B, A, B, and we'll consider A as a partition. So this is our answer. Now let's talk about this one. Okay, so we can consider B here, right? So let's see. Consider B, it will be A, B, A, B, and we are left with A here, right? So let's move forward now. Here we are left with A only now. So if we go one level ahead, what will happen? It will be ABA, A, B, and A, right? This string is empty now. Now let's talk about here that we are left with two options here, right? So let's move forward and see what we can get here. If we make a call from here, what we are left with? B and A. What is possibility? That we take each character alone. So A, B, A, and B is left alone. B is left alone, taken alone. Okay, so if B is taken alone, what is left? That is A. A is left. After that, what will happen? We will take A. So if we take A on the second level, what will happen? The answer will be A, B, A, and B and A, and no string is left, right? So this is done. Now let's talk about this one that is left. So if we talk about this one, what we are getting? First of all, we have an option that we can take A alone. So at that point of time, what will be? A, B, A, and A will be the answer. And we are left with B and A, right? What is the second option do we have? That is, we consider the complete string. That is also palindromic, right? So answer will be A, B, A, and ABA, right? Now let's move forward and see what do we have. So here, if we talk about this, okay, let me tell you one thing. When we consider the complete string, the string is empty now. This is our answer. Now let's move forward. So if we talk about this, so what do we have? We have B and A. So the first option we have is B. So we consider A, B, A, B, and sorry, here I have A, B, A and A, and B is considered, so B is here. We are left with A only now, right? Let's go move forward. When we consider A, so the answer is A, B, A, B, and A. Now the string is empty also here also, right? So this will be our answer. Let me show you how much long this tree is gone from here to here, right? So in this way, we are going to get all the partition of the given string that is palindromic in nature. Okay, you can check it also that, look here, A, B, A, all is palindromic because all is alone here. If we talk about this, A is palindromic, B is also palindromic, A is also palindromic, A, B, A is also palindromic. Okay, right. So talk about here, A, B, B, and A. It's also palindromic in nature. Let's talk about this A, B, A, and A, B, and A. This is also palindromic in nature. Let's talk about this one A, B, B, and A. This is also palindromic. So all the partitions that we have made here, all are palindromic in nature, right? So let's go and write the code for our planning that we have made here, right? So yeah, this is our editor. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to run a loop to traverse on the given string. So for plus plus, right? So this is the loop that is going to help us to access all the length of a string, right? So first of all, what we need a string. We need to extract every possible string that is palindromic in nature, right? So we are going to use substring function for that. So a string not str, we have to make something else, str1, right? So we are going to extract the word that we need. Okay, so how we are going to do that, let me tell you one thing. So here what we have done, first of all we taken a, after that we have taken aba, that is possible. So we are taking basically from 0 to the possible word that can be a palindromic, right? So we will take a substring from 0 to the ith word of that string if it is a palindromic. Okay, so the given str dot substring, it is from 0 to I plus 1. I'm taking I plus 1 because if we write I plus 1, so it will give the substring from 0 to I, right? So let's talk about the rest of the string. The rest of the string is str dot substring, and that will be I plus 1, right? So what this will do, it will give the substring from I plus 1 to the last index, right? So we have done that also. So when this is done, what we will check? We'll simply check if the above string str1 that we have extracted, if that is palindromic. So what we'll do, we will add that in the answer, right? So let's go. If the given string str1, okay, right, palindromic, don't worry, we will write this is palindromic function just after completing this function, right? Now just take it as abstract, we will deal it with later. So we will pass our string str1. So if this gives us true, it means the string that we have passed, it is palindromic. If it is right, so what we will call the solution function again, right? So solution, inside this, first of all we will pass our rest of the string. So rest of a string, and what we are going to pass, we are going to pass the string with the answer, like the answer string forward, right? So for that, what we are going to do, we are going to add our bracket here, then we will add our string, after that we will add the closing bracket also, right? Okay, so this is done. Now what it will do, it will do all the work. Now we just have to complete this function, is palindromic. It is very easy, we have already done it many times. So but we have to handle a base case here. If the str.length is equals to 0, it means we are reaching to the end of the string. So in this case, what we have to do, we have to print our answer. So system.out.print our answer, and we have to return, right? So this is done. Now what else do we have to do? We have to write the function for checking palindrome, right? So let's go do that. Public static boolean is palindromic. Inside this, we are getting a string. Suppose str, we have to check this str is palindromic or not. So first of all, what we need 2 index from the starting to the last, and we will check every index that from last to the first, that it is equals or not. Okay, so first of all, int starting index equals to 0, and what will the last index? Just guess, it will be the length minus 1, right? So int the last index will be the length of the given string minus 1, right? This is done. Now we'll run a loop to check it while si is less than ri, not ri, li. Okay, inside this, what we'll do, we will check the given strings, every character, that it is equal or not. So let's go and see. We will take a char ch1 equals to str dot char at si, right? This will contains the character from the left side. Now let's one more character, ch2 equals to str dot char at li, which will be last index, right? After that, what will happen, we will compare both of the given character. If these are equal, it's fine. If these are not, we will return false. It means these are not palindromic string. So if ch1 not equals to ch2, so what we'll do, we will return false, right? If it is not, we will move forward. Okay, so si will be plus plus and li will be minus minus. This is done. If we passed all the string and all are equal, so it is palindromic, so we'll return true, right? This is all code about. Now just let's go and run this code. So it is successfully accepted. Now let's submit it for all the test cases. Okay, I think we have some problem here. Let me see. Let's go download the test cases first. So this is the given input and this is the output. Okay. Right. Yes, we missed one thing here. First of all, we have to add the string in the answer. What our answer right now is present here, right? So we have to add ASF also in the answer before calling the next function, right? Now let's go and submit this. So yes, it is passed for all the test cases. So I hope you have learned something. Please like and share the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.